In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PIN code on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have regarding your PIN code on your Oculus Quest 2. So let's say you lost access to it or you forgot your PIN. The thing is that you will not be able to directly check your PIN at any time. Once it is set, you have to remember it. But don't worry, you are free to swap your PIN code at any time. As long as you have access to your account credentials, primarily your email, you will be able to change it. So I just wanted to make that very clear. Sadly, you will not be able to simply find your PIN code. But what you can do to reset your PIN code and essentially make a new one is to go over to secure.oculus.com. Access this website through a computer or your phone, and in here, go over to PIN. So after you sign into your Meta account that you want to get the PIN code for, go into the PIN category, and in here you can reset your PIN. But as you can see, you have to include your current PIN. So if you don't remember your PIN, just choose this option here, Forgot PIN. Now, after submitting a request, you will receive an email containing a link to reset your PIN. Just request this PIN reset email and then visit your email address. So you will get an email like this one, and when you click this link, you will be free to confirm your new PIN. So you can enter a PIN here, confirm it, and now your new PIN will be used on your Oculus Quest 2 or any other Meta devices that you have. So anytime that you forgot your PIN, even though you won't be able to easily check it, you will be able to change your PIN. Essentially, you get a new one, and now you make sure to note it down. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, as long as you have access to your email. If you lost access to your email, then the best course of action is to talk to their customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your PIN code on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.